Hello guys, today in my menu is easy and quick stir fry pork with potatoes. The first thing I do is wash my pork and let it boil. Then I'm going to peel my potatoes, cut it into half and then into small cubes. After I'm done with this process, I'm going to throw my potatoes in a hot cooking oil and let them cook to the fullest. Yes. Then the next thing, I'm going to take another sufuria. Then I'll add some onion and some potatoes and then tomatoes, and then I'm going to add black pepper, garlic powder, paprika and parsley. Mix it well and some tomato paste. At this time my potatoes are ready. I'm going to put them on the side, and in another pan I'm going to stir fry my boiled pork so that it can be crunchy. Yes, I love crunchy pork. So now it's ready. I'm going to add my pork into this mix before I introduce my potatoes, and then mix it well. At this point actually my food is ready. Everything is well cooked. Then I'll add some spring onions, but as I'm doing this the heat is still on, so I'll add some spring onions to my mix, and yalla, my food is ready. I'm going to serve this with nothing, just my ram. My food is ready and it looks good and smells good. Yes, so guys, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please hurry go and subscribe to my channel if you're interested, and see you in my next video.